How to save WhatsApp document photo to iPhone camera roll. First of all, open WhatsApp from the home screen. Ensure you are on the Chats tab, then scroll to the conversation that contains the document photo and tap on it. In the chat, find the message sent as a document with an image file name or thumbnail and tap on the document to open its preview. On the document preview screen, tap on the share icon at the bottom left to open the share sheet. In the share options, scroll if required and tap on Save Image. The share sheet closes and the image is saved to your Photos library automatically. Tap on Close to exit the preview and return to the chat. Go back to the home screen and open the Photos app to verify the save. You can now view the photo you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily save WhatsApp document photo to iPhone camera roll. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.